This video quickly walks you through on how to discover the countries your viewers to your Facebook page are coming from. The first step is to launch your web browser. Here, we'll be using Google Chrome. As your browser opens, visit business.facebook.com. You can see the web link here, business.facebook.com. Okay? Once you are accessing this for the first time and you are not logged in into your Facebook account on the web, it will prompt you to sign in. All right? So sign in with your Facebook profile, email address, and the password. You'll be taken to a page that looks like this. Okay? Your Facebook profile, password, and email address or phone number. So once you're here, the next step you need to take is to click on the Insights tab. Once you click on the Insights tab, you will see something like this. Okay? But you have to select View All Insights. You'll be taken to a page that looks like this. Our interest is on audience, so click on Audience. And you can see the statistics of everything. Here I have 204 followers, all right? But that's not where we are interested in proper. Look at top countries here. From here, my top country is Nigeria, which is about 32.8%, followed by United States, which is 8.8%, Pakistan 7.4%, and the rest. Okay, if you scroll down, you see more countries. But note, this Facebook page is not yet monetized. So when it gets monetized at the end, I know where they will be coming from. This Nigeria will go down for United States to come up, then followed by this Nigeria and United Kingdom, because it will align or just be close margin with what I get from my YouTube channel. If this helps, consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button. Here we cover a lot on information technology. Thank you and see you some other time.